Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Project Back Up Jack, second final report. I ran this computer from 5 p.m. till after midnight last night. I got tired before the battery. Before the battery did. So I just got up, turned the inverter back on, booted the computer, and recording this. I'm going go about my usual daily computer usage. I just checked after 8 hours, going from 13.1 volts is down to 12.7. Not bad. I'm going to find out how long this battery over here, battery over there, is good. We will run this. I'm going to be recording, watching videos, be online, you know. So far, I'm calling it a wild success. Why the American Power Conversion's battery backup just will not accept and recognize extra amperage available to it. Oh, I know. So that you'll buy one of their great big units. They've been practicing profit enhancement for a long time. Well, anyway, I'm going to go now.